Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the Sunshine Health OTC benefits program. If you are a Sunshine Health member, this program gives you an access to over the counter health products delivered right to your door. That means you can order everyday online essentials like cold medicine, vitamins, and even personal care items without leaving your home. Okay, let's get started and I'll show you how it all works. First things first, you will want to log in to your Sunshine Health account. Just to go to Sunshine Health website. As you see, I am on this website now, sunshinehealth.com. And here, as you see on the top of the page, there is a login button here on the top left, and after clicking login button, so you will be on a new page. So if you don't have if you aren't a member of this portal before, so you need to register. So there is a button here. I'm a member and my plan is Medicaid, long-term care, or a better children's medical service health plan. You need to choose one of them, for example Medicaid, and then you need to click submit. So you can see the member page after this, but I wanna come back on main page because I want to talk about Sunshine Health OTC catalog. So if you want to see the products, you need to click catalog PDF, as you see here. So, and I clicked it. I hope it can be opened, but I cannot open it now. But okay, doesn't matter. So inside the catalog, you will find a wide range of items sorted by categories like allergy relief, pain management, first aid supplies, personal care, and more. It's easy to browse and you can click at the items you need to your shopping cart. The catalog is updated regularly, so there are always plenty of options available, and you can follow the catalog regularly. So after this, so there you have it. The Sunshine Health OTC program is a great way to get the health products you need without having to make a trip to the store. If you are a Sunshine Health member, definitely make use of this convenient benefit. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.